Alright, in this video I want to give you a quick overview of the two types of viewports that are available in Unity. When you first jump into Unity, what you're actually looking at is a viewport that is called the scene view. This allows you to see the game level or scene that you are working on, but it doesn't reflect what's actually going on in your game. Think of this like kind of your eyes while you're a construction worker. It's not what the player can see. You have to differentiate between the two. There's what you see as the game designer and what your player sees as the actual game player. And what we're looking at right now is the scene view, which is kind of, again, like your construction view. I'm not going to get into navigation in this video. I just want to show you the difference between the two. Now, at the very top, we see the scene tab. To the right, we see game. If we click on game, this is what the player sees right now. Now, this doesn't mean it's active, it doesn't mean we're playing the game, but I want to point this out. If I switch back over to scene by clicking on the tab over here on the left-hand side once more, and then come up to the toolbar and click on the play button, it's right about the middle of your interface, very near the top, you'll notice that Unity automatically switches over to the game view. And this allows you to really see the difference between these two viewports, where game is here to show you the game while it's in play, while it's in progress, and then as soon as I hit the play button again to stop playback, we switch back over to the scene view. And inside here, we can do all of our construction, we can rotate around, we can see all of our different aspects, move them, adjust them, do all of our design work.
Right. The scene is kind of like your sandbox for constructing your game. It's where you take and put all your pieces, arrange them the way you want, move them, position them, get it to look right. The game view or viewport is actually to test that game and see what your player is going to see.
That's right. So if you are trying to use Unity at some point and you're thinking, oh, well, I can't move around and somehow the viewport seems stuck, always take just a split second and make sure you're not accidentally in the game view, because at a glance the two look completely identical to one another. The difference between the two is what's going on here inside the toolbars and the fact that you can navigate one and not the other. And a quick giveaway, as long as it's there, is to remember to look for the scene gizmo, which is the little tiny view cube that's hiding up in the corner. This allows you certain modes of navigation, which we're actually going to talk about in another video, but you'll notice it's not present when you're looking at the game view.
Right.
So that is a quick overview of the two different types of viewports available inside of Unity, and that will wrap up this video.